On door A, it says it leads to freedom. On door B, it says it leads to green ghost house. On door C, it says door B leads to the ghost house. Now, these are typical questions from binary logic. It's a part of your reasoning segment. How do we start with these type of question? We start by writing down the different doors. Here we have A, B and C. And we look at all the possibilities. Okay. Now what is asked? Identify which door leads to freedom. So what we do, we tend to mark these as, let's say in the first possible scenario, door A is leading to freedom. That is certain. Now based on this information, we'll try to look at what could be the value for B and C. In the second possible scenario, we are taking the freedom door to be the door B. And similarly, in the third possible scenario, we are taking door 3 or door C to be the door that leads to freedom. And based on these information, we'll try to evaluate each possibility and see what could be my possible answer here. That is how you should start a question on binary logic. Let's see, what do we have here? Okay. Starting with this. A leads to freedom. Okay, one more statement that is very important. The statement written on one of the doors is wrong. One of the doors is wrong, which means only one must be wrong. We have to be careful. That is, for 3 statements, 2 must be correct and 1 must be wrong. A leads to freedom. And it also says A leads to freedom. So this is correct. B says B leads to ghost house. And C says B leads to ghost house. So this is also correct. This is also correct. All 3 cannot be correct at the same time. Therefore, our assumption that A would be leading to freedom is totally wrong. Second. Now in this case, we are saying B leads to freedom. If we are saying that B leads to freedom, then this statement, it leads to ghost out, this is wrong. Now A leads to freedom, it cannot be. This is absolutely wrong. So we have got 2 wrong answers or 2 wrong statements. This cannot be the answer. Now let's start with the last possibility, in which we have assumed that door number C is leading to freedom. Now let's start with, what does it say? Door B leads to ghost house. Okay, door B is leading to ghost house. So statement, this is true. B leads to ghost house, that is also true. A leads to freedom, that is wrong. So how many ticks and how many wrong? 2 ticks and 1 wrong. This can be a possible scenario. So from here we can easily answer that door C with 100% surety will be leading to freedom. Option C seems to be the correct fit here. And that is how you look at a question on binary logic. I hope this is clear to everyone.